In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices in FreshBooks. By the end, you'll feel confident creating a clean, accurate invoice and getting it to the right client in just a few clicks. Start by heading to FreshBooks and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your home base for billing, expenses, and reports. Make sure you're in the correct business if you manage more than one, and that you have the permissions to create invoices. From the dashboard, look for the Create New button. It's usually near the top of the page. Click that to open a small menu and choose Invoice. This takes you straight into the invoice editor where you'll build out the details you want your client to see. Now, it's time to fill in the required details. Start with the basics. The invoice number and issue date are typically auto-filled, but you can edit them if your business uses a specific numbering format. Add a due date that matches your payment terms, like net 15 or net 30, so expectations are clear. In the line items area, enter each product or service, along with a helpful description, the quantity or hours, and the rate. As you go, FreshBooks will calculate subtotals and taxes for you. If you charge tax, select the correct rate so the totals are accurate. You can also pick a currency, add discounts if applicable, and toggle on payment options like credit card or bank transfer if your account supports them. Use the Notes or Terms field to add a friendly message, any delivery details, and late fee policies. The clearer your invoice, the faster it tends to get paid. Once everything looks good, move to the Send To section. This is where you prepare the invoice for delivery. Click into the Send To field to choose who should receive it. If the client is already in your contacts, you'll see them listed. Select the right contact, then customize the email subject and message so your client knows exactly what the invoice is for. Keep the message concise and professional. Finally, choose the contact and confirm. Double-check the recipient details, review the totals one last time, and confirm to send the invoice. FreshBooks will email it to your client and start tracking its status so you can see when it's viewed and when payment is made. That's it. You've created an invoice, completed the required fields, and sent it to the correct contact, all within FreshBooks.